All right, good day, boys. We started. We said we are doing, again, Mathematics 2. We are doing Geometry, and we are doing 3D shapes. Let's go over what we did before. Remember, we first did our 2D shapes. We have our square, our rectangle, our triangle, and our circle. We said these are 2D shape because they only have length, breadth, but they have no thickness. All right, so these are 2D shape. And then we moved on and we did some of our 3D shape. We did our square. We did our, sorry, not square, our cube, sorry, our cuboid, different types of cuboid. We also did the cylinder, and we did our sphere. All right? Today we're going to look at some other shapes. Two in particular. We have this shape, and we have this one. What are these shapes? A hint. How many of you saw the movie The Mummy? What did the mummies come out of? A pyramid. So these are called pyramid. So we have two types of pyramid here. We have a square base pyramid, meaning the base, which is the bottom, is square, and the rest is a pyramid. It's a square base pyramid. And this one is called what? What is the shape here? This is a triangular base pyramid because the base of the pyramid here is a triangle. Remember, we talked about some other words we talked about. We talked about faces. We spoke about vertices, and we spoke about edge. What did he say is an edge again? An edge is where the line where two faces meet. Edge, 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 edge. We spoke about faces, but we have the faces here, right? And then we talked about vertex or vertices. We said that a vertex means one, vertices mean more than one. And we said a vertex is where three or more edges meet. And they form a point. You see any point here? You see any point? So now we're going to look at the attributes or the qualities of these two shapes here. We have our square-based and our triangular-based pyramids. So let's look at the attributes of the square-based pyramid and our triangular-based pyramid. First of all, we're going to look at how many faces. So let's take up our square-based pyramid and see how many faces it has. We have one. So let's mark it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has 5 flat faces. It has 5. So we move on our thing here, we mark 5. We have 5 flat faces. Alright? Now let's look at edges. How many edges do we have on this? Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 edges. And remember, it has no curved surfaces, right? Good. Now we're looking at, let's scale it up a bit. We're looking now at the vertex or the vertices. Remember where the edges meet and make a point. So let's go and see how many we have here. We have 1. We have 2. We have 3. We have 4. We have 5. Any more? So we have 5 vertices. And can this roll? No. It can't roll. So let's move on now to the triangular base vertice. Somebody let's say good morning. Alright, so we're going now with faces. How many faces does it have? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 faces. And it's 4 flat faces. It has 4 faces. It has no curved faces. Let's look at the edges. We're looking at the edges now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this has 6 edges. Let's look and see how many vertex or vertices it has. If you have more than one, it'll be vertices. If you have one, it'll be a vertex. So let's go. We have 1. We have 2, 3, 4. So this has 4 vertices. Can it roll? No. So in our, let's review. Let's bring my chart in here now. We said in the square base pyramid we have 5 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have no curved faces. We have 8 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 faces, edges, sorry. And we have 5 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's look at the triangular based pyramid. How many faces does this have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 faces. It has 4 faces, 4 flat faces. Any curved faces? No. How many edges? Let's go. We count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It had 6 edges. 6 edges. And how many vertices, vertex or vertices? Points. We count 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 vertices. Can it roll? No. So these are the other 3D shapes that we at this level should know about. There are many more, but these are the ones that we need to know about at our level in Standard 3. Alright?